In this video, I get new TORKLIFT tie-downs. I repair and reinforce the right rear jack framing, and I use 2 1/8" angle aluminum to reinforce everything into a good solid unit. You can see I removed the old angle bracket that was there, and then I relocated the wire here because I'm going to shift the door frame over about a ½ inch, and I have to make a little piece for that. Here I am compressing the corner angle aluminum into the rear corner there. This is the truck down at TORKLIFT getting the new TORKLIFT tie-downs installed. They haven't got them on there yet. You'll see that in the video a little later on. So I hope you enjoy the video, and make any comments or questions that you have. This is where we are now with repairing the back right rear corner jack on the truck camper. So you see I got some 2" by 1/8" aluminum angle, and I've got it through bolted here, and then I am also going to pull these and through bolt, and I can also do it with these two into this 2x4 I have here. This one I'm going to do for sure because it will go through this metal bracket. So I have got metal brackets going through here to reinforce everything. This one here bolts up those last 2 bolts there to the frame of my slide out deck. Then I just repositioned the compartment frame and door here, and you can see I've got a piece of 5/8 by 1, and it's wrapped inside of some Protecto wrap to keep it in dry condition, no waterlogging. So I have a little bit of, I had to move this wire out, so I had to dig down through there, and then I'll fill that with some I don't know, I'll figure out something to do with epoxy or whatever. Anyway, but yeah, so I replaced the piece that was in the corner here, which is this here. You can see that lovely piece of 2x2. It looks better on there. That's the side I like. So that is all gone now, and I've replaced some wood inside of here and cleaned it up and made it much more stable. Then this here frame is adhered onto the camper with flexible all-purpose waterproof seal, and I guess it's just called DAP Ultra Clear, and it's pretty good stuff. I've got it in other places on the camper, and it's held up beautifully for about 3 years now. So what I got to do next is I have this angle down about 2 inches from the bottom of the camper here, and what I'm going to do is put a piece of 1/8" steel. I'm going to put a bolt and a bolt and a bolt, and that will secure the corner to this, and then the whole back corner framing area will be tied together. And then this used to have another 2" metal corner in here that came up to about here, so we went up a few more inches and hit some more good solid wood up top there. I got to replace these. These are 3-inch Simpson SDS screws, and they'll work just dandy for right now if I want to leave them. I do need to back them out, put some silicone on the head there, and then screw it back in to seal it. All of these screws need to get sealed in yet. But that's it. Let me pop this down. And there you go. Looks like it was always supposed to be there. So now I just gotta put my black strips in here and then find the snap-in black plastic corners, and that'll be it, all back together. So I hate to think how much it would have cost to have a shop do all this work for me. Okay, there. What else have we got going? So yeah, take a look at the jacks or the tie downs for this truck camper. That's the right rear, and here is the right front. So you can kind of see the way they're made. The front one has a pretty big bracket that bolts to the frame over there. And then I just went to TORKLIFT and they made new brackets for the F550. So these are the new brackets. And there's the new TORKLIFT sticker on it. You can see it goes into the frame mount there. It's a smaller frame mount, but it's pretty husky. 1/4-inch steel on it. So this one here, it's just got one slot there, and so I'll probably put a turnbuckle that has an eye, and then a one of those links that you can open up and connect it with. And then the back, let's see here, the back is heavier. It's 2.5-inch metal here and 2-inch there on a 30,000 pound rated super truss with 2 and 3-inch on it. So anyway, getting closer to be able to go out camping and having a good old time. So yeah, these tires, they're 12 ply radial and 3,600 pound rating on them. What was the name of these anyway? 225 70 R 19.5. Oh yeah, what was that? Double coin China. Never heard of that before, but they're working, and they all have good tread on them. You can kind of see that it has traction tread here, but then it's just a straight tread out there. So probably not really good because there's no escape or the water to come out. You know, it can get water in the tread, but it can't push it out. So it's probably not a really great tire for rain. Anyway, but yeah, so there you see, nice big front sway bar on it. Okay, so I will keep working on this truck here. I still have to, or yeah, getting the camper fixed up, and then I still need to get swing out brackets for the front of the camper so that we can get it past the dualies. Okay, that's it for now, and I will see you on the next video.